lock extensions. Let's talk about them. Okay, first of all, guys, lock extensions, permanent lock extensions, should not be attached to your hair in a wrapping technique. It's wrong. It doesn't last. It doesn't stay. It is temporary. It is not permanent. Okay? Lock extensions should be attached to your hair. Your hair should be at least 2 inches, 3 inches long from your scalp, and a lock extension is supposed to be crocheted. Okay? The hair should be matted together, binded together with using a crochet technique. And that lock extension should look like a real lock. It should look like an actual lock that's grown out of someone's head. It might be a little straighter, less imperfections. It might be a little more one size fits all, but it should be attached just like that. Anything where the hair is being wrapped, or if someone is asking you to go purchase hair and bring it with you and they're wrapping it, those are called faux locks. Those are not permanent lock extensions. Those are going to fall out of your hair. They're not going to last. As soon as you wash them, they're going to come out. As soon as you color them, they're not going to take. As soon as you try to curl them or do any kind of style with them, they're going to be super stiff and they might fall out. You might have a lot that fall out. So please, before you go spend your money and give someone all of your hard-earned money that you have worked so hard for, do your research. Ask questions. Do a consultation. Wait. Be patient. Starting your locks teaches you patience along this journey. So don't start off with the wrong foundation. Don't start off wasting your money. Trust me. Trust Houston Lock Fairy. I'm here to only tell you the truth. Take your time. Do it right. All right. Peace out.